Hey Pivekins, it's Bree again. I just got back from a really exciting trip. I went to Zion National Park, which was super awesome. But while I was there, I recorded a couple hikes that I did and then put together a little video for you so you could hike with me. So we're gonna call this Nature, and we're gonna go on a nature walk together to Angel's Landing and also through the Narrows. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy the beautiful scenery because it was really beautiful and really awesome. So check it out. I just have a craving
I miss all those.
for Chick-fil-A.
They closed everything down.
Hey guys,
Hi, Pavika.
this is Danny and Mary hiking to Angel's Landing, or as close as we can get. Check out this view. It's so pretty. Love it. Nancy, give us a wave. Love it. There you go.
Until
We made it.
Let's go.
We made it to the top.
He's got no fear.
Whew. We heard they bite.
Yeah, some girl got bit on the finger.
Whew.
Out of nowhere, she was just sitting there too.
Wow.
Do you want up and down or just? Get up a little bit.
Sad.
Wanna take a look first and then adjust? Yeah, it looks good. But you almost want to be looking that way.
this is just it's beautiful.
I see you. It's 'cause we have your backpack. Salty. Everybody wave! Nice.
That was the big one now.
Well, I hope that was cool and that you enjoyed hiking with me. I had lots of fun. I hope you had lots of fun. And I hope that it was beautiful and that you enjoyed it. So I hope it's sunny wherever you are and that you have a happy Paivika day. All right, peace out.